According to Erongo, the health situation remains dynamic, which requires swift, stringent measures to suppress the potential spread of the virus in Walvis Bay or nearby towns. Dr. Erongo says Namibia remains vulnerable to the virus as new cases continue to emerge, particularly in Walvis Bay, which recorded 8 new confirmed cases in the last 2 weeks. This included an incident in which a truck driver, upon arrival from a neighboring country, breached quarantine rules, as well as a fish trader who plies the seas between Namibia and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. However, the biggest fear of community transmission came as a result of a private health facility employee who also tested positive, although has no trouble history.
I understand the economic hardships we are facing as a nation and devastating, it's also devastating, but I am convinced that cause of inaction, allowing the virus to spread unfettered through our communities would be even more devastating. The restrictive measures are temporary, and I ask each and every resident to work with the authorities. If we lose control now, these measures will be put in a more complete stage. So I would like to once again ask all of us to comply with the regulations, to listen to the authorities, especially frontline workers, so that please, we don't have to fight over this, to push each other and so on.
The president also directed that all old age homes in the Erongo region be placed under isolation with immediate effect to safeguard the well-being of the elderly who remain vulnerable to the virus. Meanwhile, Erongo also reiterated that they are working to avoid imposing national lockdowns by effecting prompt and targeted localized interventions.
We are not at war. Police are not at war with our citizens. We are doing this to safeguard the lives of our people. So if we can cooperate, all of us, and work together, I think we will save lives. So far we have been doing very well, and the world is praising us. But we are getting our people to come back from where they were. And they are the ones who are bringing this disease. We cannot stop them from coming home. We must contain them. And they must cooperate, all of us. We are doing this in the common interest of Namibian people.
He urged members of the public to adhere to the regulations in place to preserve the gains the country has attained in fighting the virus.